Hey guys and girls, it's your boy Money Flip right here again. Just coming at you with a short watch list, just trying to focus on less tickers, still with a little bit chop in the market. So right now I've got the weekly up on the left, the daily on the right. This is SPY. Um, Man, I mean, if you look at this candle closely, SPY's just like gave up everything that it had yesterday. So um, it could shoot a bit lower. We're in a little choppy area right now, so um, I would expect SPY to maybe even pull a little bit lower. But who knows? I mean, we're up one day 100 points, we're down the next day 100 points. So man, it's just choppy. So anyway, I don't really have any predictions. I'm just going to watch how the market acts tomorrow morning and take it from there. Right now, I'm doing this. It's about 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time, December 17th, Thursday night. And yeah, the futures are pretty much just flat. They were down about 5 or 6 points, but right now just flat. So we'll see what the morning holds. Anyway, got less than 10 tickers. First one, Facebook. Facebook just pulled with the market today. I've had these fib levels drawn for a while. I'm actually long, so took a little heat on that today. But I mean, that's part of swing trading. You can't worry about every single tick. So I just use this for an entry. I mean, the opportunity to add to my position. So I've got a position out beginning of January, probably going to go out a little bit further. I still like Facebook long term. So if you look on the left, you can see the weekly chart. See how it held that 38% retracement. So hey, you pretty much got a flag that built right here. There's the pole. Here's the pennant forming. So we'll see. That's me on Facebook. MBLY, I like this one for a short. Even though it shows it up a few cents today, so that's alright, but I still like this one for a short. I may sell some premium on this one. I need to see what its IV percentile is, but anyway, you can see how it broke out of that descending triangle. So there was news about that in Tesla. I think there's garbage news, so I like MBLY to the short. Next chart, Netflix. On Netflix, I don't really see too much on this one just yet. Actually, I would like to see Netflix come on back a little bit more, but you can see it closed right at that 50%. It held the 38% retracement. So if it continues to hold that one, I still like it long, but I don't trust this market just yet. But we'll see what tomorrow holds. Anyway, that's my take on Netflix. One I've been on for a few days. Lockheed Martin, I still like it long right here. I am looking to add to the position. So that's Lockheed Martin. I do have a butterfly that I had to roll out. I didn't expect the market to pull back like this today. So anyway, I'll roll that position out or just flat out open a new one. But anyway, Lockheed Martin, I do like this one for the long term. That is only as long as this 618 retracement holds, which is where it's sitting. So as long as it doesn't break pretty much 214.50, I'm still bullish on Lockheed Martin. Like I said, I really like that one long term. Meaning swing that one for a couple of weeks to a month or so. Next, I like this one in the long term. I'm actually a little bit on the bullish side of it. I just think it's just beat right now. I do see that it can't get over this 38% retracement line right here. So as long as it stays up under here, I do like this one for a short swing. Short swing on Whole Foods. Probably get this one on down to about at least 32. You may get on around 31.50, 31. Those would be my targets. I would love to see it hit 31, but I'd probably be taking profits at 31.50. That's my take on Whole Foods. DLR, Kevin at watchingtrade.com is just, he alerted this one yesterday, and you can see how this candle that it put in today. So that I just brought this one up as one to keep on your radar. You know, you've got the highs back here in February, the highs right here. Looks like it may go up there again. What I expect for it to do this time, though, I think it's going to tap the door, pull back one more time, and then take off. So keep that one on your radar if you like to swing them. One that I'm definitely looking at getting in ASAP is DY. I've wanted an entry on this one for a while. Started to push back up. This line is a previous support resistance line that I had drawn a while back. So basically, I'm watching DY. I still think it's a good buy right here, so I may scale into this position now. But really key is like get back over 80, start pushing towards 85 is what I like to see in DY. That one is, you know, has just a nice long trend up. So, but like it needs to get back over that 80 and continuous trend. That's DY. Two of my main focus tomorrow for intraday trades. If the market decides it wants to keep on coming back, I'm going to get on GS. I think GS starts knocking on the door of 182. I think you get 180 fast. If 182 breaks, 180 comes pretty fast. That's what I feel like. If the market decides it wants to pull even harder tomorrow. The next one, Apple. Man, this thing looks bad. Apple. Apple starts to break. Let's say Apple under 108.50. Here comes 107.50 fast, I believe. So that's just in case the market decides to pull back. Looking at this candle right here, Apple closed on the lows of the day. I think the market actually even closed on the lows of the day too. You can look over here on the left side. You can see where I have that support drawn right there at the 107.50. That's my next stop if Apple decides it wants to bleed tomorrow. I do think this one is going to be a very good buying opportunity to the upside, especially if it does pull on back right here. So, but anyway, Apple's taken a hit over the last week or so, so I think when things do bounce, Apple's going to be one of the good ones. Anyway, that's all I've got. Catch me up at watchemtrade.com. I'm always in there. Catch you on the next video. Look out for one this weekend. Peace.